Welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Stacey Moss, and today we have an important topic to discuss that affects many individuals going through a divorce in Texas. I will be highlighting the aspects of divorcing a disabled spouse and understanding the legal circumstances surrounding spousal support. So let's get started. Did you know that divorcing a disabled spouse in Texas can present unique challenges? It's a topic that requires careful understanding and compassion. Let me share a real-life story that will shed light on the importance of this issue. A couple, Matthew and Renee, who have been married for over a decade. Unfortunately, Renee developed a disability that affected her ability to work and earn income. As their marriage began to strain, they found themselves contemplating divorce. However, the question loomed, can Renee divorce her husband and still receive the necessary support? To better understand this situation, let's address some key questions and concerns that often arise in such cases. Question 1. Can I divorce my wife who is disabled? Absolutely. Being married to a disabled spouse does not prevent you from seeking a divorce. However, it does bring additional considerations into play, particularly when it comes to spousal support. Question 2. How many years do you have to be married to get spousal support in Texas? In Texas, there isn't a set number of years required for spousal support eligibility. The court considers various factors such as the duration of marriage, the disabled spouse's ability to work, and the financial situation of both parties. Each case is unique and the court aims to ensure a fair and reasonable outcome. Renee had been unable to work for several years due to her disability, and the court recognized her need for support, granting her spousal maintenance to help meet her minimum needs. Question 3. What are my rights as a wife in a divorce in Texas? As a wife going through a divorce, you have rights that protect your interests. These include the right to seek spousal support, a fair division of marital assets if applicable, child custody, and child support arrangements. It is crucial to consult with a knowledgeable attorney who can guide you through this process. Question 4. What is a stay-at-home wife entitled to in a divorce in Texas? A stay-at-home wife contributes to the marriage in various ways, even if not financially. In a divorce, she may be entitled to spousal support, especially if her ability to work is limited due to a disability or other factors. The court considers the financial resources and the needs of both parties to ensure a fair outcome. Going back to Renee and Matthew's situation. Renee had been a stay-at-home wife due to her disability, and the court recognized her contributions and the impact her disability had on her ability to earn income. This led to a fair spousal support arrangement in their divorce. Understanding the complexities of divorcing a disabled spouse is crucial to protect your rights and ensure a fair resolution. If you or someone you know is facing similar situations, we're here to help. If you need personalized assistance or have any questions, please reach out to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. We're here to support you every step of the way.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.